Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَالَّذِينَ كَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا يَمَسُّهُمُ الْعَذَابُ بِمَا كَانُوا يَفْسُقُونَ. Translation: And those who deny our verses, suffering will afflict them for their disobedience. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends the prophets, and the basic duty of the prophets is giving the good news and warnings. So, prophets, they have been giving the good news for those who believe and who act on truth and who follow the teachings of prophets, and they will go to the paradise, as opposed to those who reject the teachings of the prophets and who reject the truth. They will go to the hellfire. And this glad tidings and these warnings are given by the prophets to the people, and the people have to decide about themselves whether they want to get included in the first group or the second group. So those people who believe the prophets and who correct their ways and bring iman or faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be guided to the straight path, and these people will have no fear nor they will grieve. Quran has a style of simultaneous contrast, as seen in today's ayah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about those people who rejects and denies the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and those people who are rejecting these signs will be thrown in the hellfire and will be given the punishment by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because of their denial of the truth and because of their disobedience. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and include us among the people who accept the message of the Prophet and who correct themselves and who believe in the truth and believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.